similar thing with the about and the goals. I made a div class, and I'll show you. Where is it? Yeah, like a row or something. And I made a column, and then I just put them in the column, so now they're side by side. And this is done in CSS. So I did some changes to the button. I added a modern button after, so when they're like before and after each other. Yeah, just some things are changing. I updated the text. I used ChatGPT, and I also, as you can see, there's a link here. So what I did was I created an href, which leads to my YouTube channel. So when I click on this YouTube button, it leads right to the YouTube channel. And as you can see, the last video is there, learning full stack web development day 1. And then if we go back here and we go to videos, boom, we have the video on the videos page with a little icon thing, with a little thing saying day 1. So yeah, those are the main, well, really that's all the changes I made. And as you can see, like, it does work. You won't be able to hear it, I don't think. See right here in my Visual Studio Code, I got the HTML page. So right now I'm learning HTML. CSS in September coming up. Yeah, so we got the video, it's fully working. That's pretty neat. What other improvements do I want to make? For right now, I just want to make the website look nicer. I want to sort of style it better. I mean, I've got a long way to go, guys. Long way to go. Yeah, really just make it look nicer, clean it up a little bit. I want to learn about JavaScript. I know absolutely nothing about it. I've only been using HTML and CSS, and very poorly, like pretty well. Half of this website is made with ChatGPT. I think it's called like vibe coding or something. But I've just been using ChatGPT to, like, if I don't know what to do, if I don't know how to center a text, I'm like, ChatGPT, how do I center a text? And I'll pretty well just type it out instead of copying and pasting it. But yeah, where have I been learning? So I've been using this website called freecodecamp.org. And I've just been going through the curriculum. There's a certified full stack developer curriculum that I've been going through. So I finished the basics. I went through the basics tab. So now I'm on the semantics. So like the importance of knowing the language, I guess, or like kind of describing how HTML is its own language, which is pretty neat. And yeah, so like kind of I think I said this last time, but what the goal is like, I just want to slowly work on this website. You know, no pressure, no deadline to get it done, no major goals with it. I just kind of want to work on this website as I'm learning to program. I mean, eventually I'm going to have to get this on the internet. This is actually not online. There is no URL. It's just like file. Like, I'm just pulling it up in a file here. So eventually, you know, I'll probably have to learn about, I mean, I've done it before a while ago, but relearn how to get a website onto the internet. I need to get a domain name. I gotta get like server space or something. I'm not entirely sure. Get a FTP, FileZilla or something, slap it on there, get it on the internet, and then it's official. So right now, this is just front end development, and it's not even on the internet. It's not even actually online. And eventually, when I do get it online, I'll definitely link it into this video and into videos in the future. But yeah, so I feel like actually priority number 1 isn't necessarily making it look nicer. I think it's just getting it on the internet. And like I said, this is a work in progress. If you couldn't tell already, this is years in the making. And another thing is, like, you might be wondering, like, Austin, why are you spending all this time learning when you're gonna go to college for it anyways? But it's like, I feel like I might as well get a head start. And you know what? So what if I spend like a couple grand on a semester and I already learned the entire semester? At least I get to meet the people and relearn what I've learned and all that kind of stuff. I was a little bit nervous when I first applied because I thought, oh man, like, what if I don't know anything, or like, what if I don't know enough, and then I'm just trying to catch up the whole time. But um, a close one told me, somebody I'm close to told me, or my beloved, if you will, told me that, you know, they expect you to know nothing. So they expect you to have no prior knowledge in coding. And so this is really just padding for all that. Yeah, I'm really excited. Looking forward to learning CSS with 1,155 steps, and then JavaScript with 892 steps. I've kind of learned how they interact with each other a little bit. So they describe HTML almost as the framing of the house, and then CSS is like the interior decorations, or even the exterior decorations, making it all look nice. And then JavaScript is like the plumbing, the electrical, and all that kind of stuff, adding dynamic elements to the website. So HTML is the structure, CSS is the design, and JavaScript's the actual functionality of it. And yeah, these three are the main languages you gotta learn in front-end web development, let alone getting into back-end web development, where there's stuff like a Mongo, a JS node. Like, what is this stuff, man? I've never even heard of this before, and I thought I took a course on this in high school one time or something. So there's a lot to learn, but it's exciting, you know. And really, all in all, kind of how I'm trying to approach this, as opposed to how I've approached other passions or other endeavors in my life, is instead of becoming too obsessed and trying to force myself to get good as quick as I can and just burning myself out over and over and over again, I'm willing to take breaks with this one. I'm willing to take a step back and be like, hey, I don't want to work on this today. I don't want to work on this for the next week. And that's completely fine. So when I say learning full stack development vlog day one, that's not actually like the amount of days I've been learning. That's just day one. Like each day is not, like, I'm not going to do this every day, but each day is day one, day two, day three of learning. Because whenever I'm learning, I'm going to document it. But that doesn't mean I'm going to learn Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, if that kind of makes sense. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to get through this course. I'm excited to go to school to learn about it. I never really thought I would go to school for anything, but this really piqued my interest in this project here. Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to get day one, day two. I'm going to probably split it up into thirds, so like day one, day two, day three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then have like a whole catalog of videos, and then make this look a lot nicer, have a fleshed out about page, probably get maybe a picture of myself, get a goals page, have the goals and the mission, probably even get a donation page set up at some point so you can donate to me in crypto, probably Bitcoin and maybe Monero, or some donate to me in Bitcoin, a PayPal link, you know, some donations and all that fun stuff. Link it to the YouTube, link the YouTube to this. Yeah, and then maybe even have some tutorials as I learn and stuff like that. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm excited for this project. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, that's my dog chewing, by the way. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do take care, guys, and until next time, peace.